I mean, look at this fucking place. Thank y'all for coming out, man. Minneapolis, never has fucking let us down, man. I still remember 1990. First time ever playing here was with Suicidal Tendencies and Exodus. And man, that was a tough tour to open up, you know. But I tell you, Minneapolis was one of the first cities to open their arms to us, man. I remember that shit, so look at you today. Anyone that was at that fucking show went out and made a bunch of fucking babies and brought them fucking back, you know? Because all this shit is a family affair, you know? And I say if you grow up in a house your whole life listening to Pantera, hey, our songs are your songs. Beyond strength. Play slow and heavy there, Zakk Wylde. much.